Rinser-friendly, countertop-friendly, reverse osmosis water machine. Let's unbox it and assemble it together and see how well it works. One of the best things about having a reverse osmosis water machine is that you have clean water and you don't have to use plastic water bottles. I do have a bigger version of this, but I wanted the smaller one to do infused water, and I'll explain that in a second. But when I first opened it, I went ahead and I washed out the glass carafe. I removed all the tape. Also, the little cleaner brush is in the tank, so make sure to get that out. And then you also want to wash the water tank with soap and water too. So when you first open it, you want to make sure you flush the water out. It will beep if the water tank is not on there properly. And for the first 3 times of filtering this water, you just want to make sure that you flush it and dump out all of the water. I dumped out the water carafe. I dumped out the water tank. As you can see, there's like weird stuff in it. So then flush it out 2 more times. Make sure that you dump out any water that's in the carafe or the water tank. Then you can move on. It does have 2 different volumes, so you can either do half of a water carafe or a full one. And the water temperature will be whatever the water temperature was that you put into the actual tank. So just know that it's not like making it hot or anything. The first thing I wanted to do was make sure it tasted good, and then I added it to some frozen fruit cubes that I had pre-made, and I loved it. So then I moved on to the reason that I got this was so that I could add the water to fruit. I'm really on a whole fruit infused water kick lately. I'm gonna get a lot more little carafes, and I'm just going to keep a lot of fruit infused water on hand at all times, because why not? It takes 3 minutes to brew. And so I did let this one sit overnight. I tried it the next morning. It was everything I've been looking for. I am obsessed, and I highly recommend.